मेरे प्यारे साथियों, अब वक्त बदलने वाला है। आप सबको एकजुट होना होगा। देश के युवाओं अब सिस्टम को बताएंगे कॉकरोच क्या होते हैं। सपोर्ट करो।
In a press note, Bengaluru City Police Commissioner stated that a social media message titled "COCKROACH JANATA Party Karnataka" is being circulated, calling upon people to gather in front of Town Hall on May 24, 2026 for a peaceful human chain protest. The press note clarified that no application has been received from any individual, organization or political party seeking permission to conduct the program at the said location, and no official approval has been granted. It also stated that permission from the GBA office for the use of the venue has not been obtained. Police authorities further pointed out that as per the Karnataka High Court order dated August 1, 2022, in writ petition number 5781/2021, protests, rallies and dharnas are not permitted at locations other than Freedom Park. Therefore, any gathering near Town Hall in violation of the court order would amount to a breach of the High Court's directions. Through the press note, the Bengaluru police urged the public not to share or forward the message on social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which is also known as X, and advised people not to assemble near Town Hall. The advisory was issued in the interest of public awareness and maintaining law and order. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.